guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, guys. It's way too early for me right now. I'm on my way to this crazy Cars and Coffee. Alright, I'm really tired, guys. But the 892 M3, guys, sounds insane. Man, I cannot wait to show you guys this crazy tunnel. Stay tuned though, stay tuned. It's gonna be crazy loud. Like I said, guys, stay tuned. I'll catch you guys when I get to the Cars and Coffee, man. Just get it. Alright guys, we just pulled up to the spot where the Cars and Coffee is. And man, there's a lot of crazy ass freaking cars already. Oh my god, we got the exotic lineup of crazy ass freaking cars. Man, this whole freaking parking lot is filled up with cars, guys. Look at this beautiful Ferrari, wide body Ferrari, I believe. No, it's not, it's a Pista Huracan Performante, I believe. And a McLaren and another McLaren. Look at this car on the floor though, guys. A Camry. What? A freaking Camry on the floor. This one right here, guys. This one's freaking nice. I like the wing. Look at this other one. Wow. Same wheels as my car. Man, this one is freaking nice. The wing though, I'll show you guys the wing right now, but man, this color, I was thinking about wrapping my car this color, guys. Look at this wing. Looks so nice. Man, this thing is so clean, guys. Look at this. You hear it? Big ol' exhaust. Man, looks fire. I love it. That's like a fire truck from China. Straight up drift cars. But this one's nice. I really like this one. This pink one right here. It's fucking crazy with those white wheels. Man, look at that. Whew. This crazy truck, guys. I always see it every time I every car meet, and it's freaking insane. Look at the back. The back looks insane. Jeez. Oh my god. Man, this thing looks insane. Oh my god, guys. Every time, I always fan out every time I see this car. The crazy diffuser, crazy ass freaking wheels. Look at those wheels, man. That Z3 Roadster though, guys. Look at that Z3 Roadster. Same color as my E36 M3. I really want me one of those, guys. I really want me one of those. That's my next car for sure, like my next daily. Look at these GTRs right here. Oh my god, I'm in love with GTRs. Alright guys, so this is where I parked the car with the homies. 1, 2, 3. This is the homies that I came with. The car looks freaking clean. I literally took my time last night in cleaning it. But look at this E10 right here though, guys. I don't know what the top thing is, but it looks freaking nice. Look at this. So clean. It's like one of my dream little cars, guys. Maybe one day I'm gonna have one of these just for the collection. Just for the collection, guys. So many crazy cars. I'm gonna go post up over there because there's gonna be crazy cars pulling up. Look at that Urz. There should be more crazy ass exotics pulling up, so stay tuned. Look at that beautiful McLaren, guys. And Marley's crazy wide body Corvette. Oh my god, that thing looks so damn clean. It's my first time seeing this car in person since he built it. She looks so damn clean. love this car. I want it. Look at this crazy wide body Corvette, guys. It's my first time seeing this in person. I always see this on Instagram. It looks freaking amazing. Look how wide it is. Jeez. Oh my god, look at those. God damn, look how wide it is, guys. Jesus. That's a big old tire. Oh my god, though. It looks amazing, guys. I love it. I love it. It looks freaking insane. Literally can cut my fucking shit off.
A few moments later.
Yo. Look at this. Yo. What the hell? Damn, he just ran him over. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. The guy was literally backing up, and the guy was literally standing on the spot, just backed on and ran into him. God damn, look at these. These things are freaking crazy. The Huracan, the McLaren, another crazy McLaren, and another crazy McLaren, and a crazy McLaren right there, guys. Jeez. This one right here has to be my favorite. I don't know why, but just, I love the 720S. Man. 720S, guys. This thing is freaking beautiful, guys. All those cars are over there are fucking amazing. Freaking crazy ass exotics. Look at this E36. And Unicorn straight up took over the car meet. Oh my god. This thing is freaking gorgeous, guys. He literally took over the Cars and Coffee for parking in the middle of the road. Man, this thing is crazy. Right next to these right here, guys. Oh my god. This thing is freaking nice. It's on the floor. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at the titanium exhaust. All the carbon literally all over the place. God. One day. Yo, look at this crazy GTR. The wide body looks insane. This thing is so minty though, guys. I've never seen one of these in person ever. Jeez. The Skyline, classic, straight up classic though, guys. Crazy 720 has just pulled up, guys. Look at this. Gorgeous. All these crazy exotics though, guys. I already showed you guys all these cars, but man, just look at these. They're freaking amazing. Look at all these people. Man, this is crazy, guys. The car community, car scene out here in the Bay Area, you guys, is getting crazier and crazier. It's freaking freezing, guys. And the back, and like what, 2 days ago was freaking hot. The show is almost over. All the McLarens, all the crazy Lambos are leaving already. God, it's freezing, guys. It's freaking freezing. I am cold. Alright guys, so like you guys can see, man, that Cars and Coffee was freaking crazy, guys. So many exotics. There's a lot of McLarens though. A lot of McLarens. There's 2 Lambos, 2 R8s. There's a lot of crazy cars. But if you guys are new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Stay tuned for more lit content, guys. But this is the end of the vlog, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's get it.